Guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. So, what is Buy Here, Pay Here dealership? It's Byrider. Basically, we're funding and financing the cars that you are driving off of our lot. The plus side is our bank is able to pick the requirement needed to get driving, which means we're not going to focus on your credit score. It's okay if you've had credit challenges in the past. We're here to help. We're going to look at more of your job time, your stability, your affordability, the income, the outflow, not the past. We're not going to focus on that repo that you had a couple years ago or any credit challenges that you've had. We're going to look at how we can help you in the future, how we're going to get you driving today to rebuild your credit. Also, all of our cars come with an amazing 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, which is going to keep your car safe and reliable. So, if you've been turned down from multiple banks in the past, don't worry. Here at Byrider, we're only going to look at your credit one time because we're only going to work with one bank. So it really is a great place to start off, especially if you've been told no before. Come in and see us at the Waukesha location, W226 South 1700 Highway 164, or give us a call at 262-506-3131. I look forward to helping you get driving in a great car.